late.
Hey, no, you're not late. Wow.
Wow.
Jesus.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God.
It's been too long.
Guys, this is Rebecca Malone.
It's Pearson now.
Oh.
But hi, Rebecca. Hey. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Thank you so much for thinking of me for this. It means a lot.
Are you kidding? Our manager decided we needed a female vocalist, and I told him it's got to be the girl I used to play the keys for.
Guess you forgot this girl you used to play keys for got old.
Not from where I'm standing.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, what do you want to jump in?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
A buzzer took a monkey for a ride in the air. Monkey thought that everything was all is square. The buzzer tried to throw the monkey off his back. The monkey grabbed his neck and said, "Now listen, Jack. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right."
Don't forget to visit our concession stand. All proceeds and benefits.
You hold both at the same time.
You made it.
Hi. What's with all the beige?
I'm trying to remain neutral.
Yeah? Okay.
Wait, where's Kevin? Oh, there he is.
12.
12.
Down